Hello, I'm Joe Piccirilli, CEO of RoseWater Energy. We are at Alpha Technologies, an EnerSys company in Bellingham, Washington. This is where RoseWater products are built. Today, we are going to give you a brief look at what goes into building a RoseWater Hub20. As you can see, this is a very large manufacturing facility. Our product is built in what is called the Advanced Product Group. Let's take a closer look. First stage is building the subassemblies. These subassemblies are the building blocks of a Hub20. The seismic rack is the backbone of our product. The subassemblies are mounted and wired into the rack. Once the subassembly process is completed, the product moves to testing. This process involves testing the unit and all its subsystems in every conceivable real-life situation. It generally takes 1 to 2 days. Once the testing is complete, the unit is moved back to the advanced product area to receive its final touches. It is now ready to be packed and shipped directly to your job site. I hope this short video tour provides you with a clearer understanding of the level of detail and testing that goes into every RoseWater product, and what gives us the confidence to say, RoseWater, simply the best.